I'm in front of the camera today.
Hi guys.
Hello. Are you happy?
Oh,
Huh? Are you happy today? You looking at the dirt on my legs, huh? Yeah, it's dirty. So, I've got this pile of wood that's too large, just by a little bit. And it was annoying me figuring out how to do this, so I just made a little frame. Just some 2x6s. I made it a little bit longer. Actually, I didn't cut anything except for the angles on these two. All this was scrap, just scrap pieces I grabbed. I measured where I wanted the log to be. That's about 16, 17 inches. I want the logs to be 18 inches, so I gave myself room to cut an inch off the edge. I flop a log in here, slide it in, twist it sideways so it's tight, and it's bound up, and then I cut it, zip, and throw it out and do the next. I've got it screwed with 2 screws each to the sawhorses. The sawhorses are a bit wobbly, that's the only problem I have. Otherwise, this is a pretty cool and stable setup. And it allows me to process firewood in a quick hurry. I love it. Now all the little pieces are going into the wood shop stove, or the wood cook stove this winter for cooking our food and meals. These will be split. They'll be perfect for that wood cook stove in there. And the little pieces are good for the wood shop stove. So everything gets used. And these are all precisely cut the same, 18 inches. Pretty cool. So I'll have one of the neatest stacks I've ever had when I process all of this pile. Now, I still got all that to do and sort out. Some of these need cutting. A lot of them do. That's that pile that I got the other day. And then I went and got 3 trailer loads today. 3 more trailer loads of the oak that I cut. That's the last of it. And I've got it standing here in the yard to dry in the sun and the wind. So, look at that, guys. Now that right there is more than I ever had for any winter all together. So I think actually that right there might get us through the winter itself. I don't know. But they're saying it's going to be a worse winter than ever. And then I've got those 3 piles over on the side. So that looks good. I'm feeling really good now looking at all that in the yard. That is a relief. But I'm still going to keep cutting. And I'm going to get that log splitter home. And I've got logs out back to cut, probably about a half a cord to a cord. Probably half a cord out there. Once it's cut and stacked, we'll see how it goes. I know this is at least another cord. Probably a cord on the ground. And I guess this is a couple face cord. I'm not sure. But, I found out in New York when you say cord, you're talking full cord. When the guy I'm talking to, when you say cord, you're talking face cord. So I goofed. I wasn't clear on my terms, and I am getting 2 face cord of oak that I cut and split myself. My bad. Next time I'll pay more attention to details and ask questions. But that's just a term. But a little bit of difference in understanding. But there's a nice bit of oak, a little bit of oak, not much. I still want to get a lot more oak for our off-grid tiny house for the winter heating. And then continue processing all this here. But definitely a relief. We've got 3 cords over by the house, stacked, and a couple cord out here. And this is all I've been doing all day. Now it got hot. So today is a short video, and I didn't do anything on the, I didn't grab the camera because it was 90 degrees and 50% humidity. And when I hauled the 3 loads, it took 2 hours to haul and stack. And then I was destroyed, and I worked on DIY Tube Video Community the whole rest of the afternoon, and then came out here and put this little rig together just a little while ago. But it's getting dark, and the day is coming to a close. But that's it for that then. Do check out DIY Tube Video Community, where everybody gets paid. You get paid for video views and commenting. And you get paid for thumbs up on your video or your comments. So go on over there and get paid to do what you're already doing. And I upload all my videos over there from all three of my channels. My electronics channel, YouTube took away my partner privileges, as they did with many, many other people. So therefore, I quit putting my videos up there for free, and it's all on DIY Tube Video Community now. So check it out if you are interested, and I'll see you over there. It's Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Please do like, subscribe, and share, and follow our daily videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient, and this is part of self-sufficiency. And off the grid, on a budget. This is also part of off-grid living. Heating your own home for free. Talk to you later.